Welcome, my dear sisters and brothers. I'm so glad you are here. Let this be your space, your moment to slow down, to return your home, to remember what peace feels like. Find a comfortable seat. You can sit cross-legged on the floor or in a chair with your feet resting on the ground. Let your spine be tall and straight, but not stiff. Relax your shoulders and gently close your eyes. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in. Fill your lungs fully. Hold it for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do this again. Deep breath in and long soft exhale. Allow your body to settle. Allow your breath to soften. Let the outer world fade and turn your attention inward. Now just breathe naturally. Feel the breath is moving in and out. Notice the subtle sensations, the coolness of the inhalation, the warmth of the exhalation. You are not here to force anything. You are simply here to notice, to feel, to be. With each breath, bring your awareness to the center of your body, right at the spine. As you inhale, imagine your energy rising gently up the spine towards the heart and then to the point between your eyebrows. With the exhale, allow the energy to soften and settle throughout the body. There is nothing to chase, nothing to perfect. Just breathe, awareness and stillness. Let's deepen that awareness now with the simple pattern. Inhale to slow count of 4. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Hold the breath softly on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. And slowly exhale for 6. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6. Relax. Let's do this few times again. Inhale on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Hold on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Exhale on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6. Exhale fully and relax. Mentally prepare for the last round again. Inhale for 4. Inhale on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Hold for 2. Inhale on 1, on 2, retention on 1, on 2, exhale for 6, on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6. Relax, fully exhale. Let the rhythm guide you inward. Focus between your eyebrows. Let that draw your attention to the space behind the breath, to the quiet, to the stillness that is always waiting. You may start to feel a subtle shift inside, a gentle tingling, a soft current of energy rising through your spine. This is a life force, awakening, balancing, extending. There is no rush, no destination, just this quiet unfolding, one breath at the time. Let yourself rest here for a moment, in this silence, in this space you have created. Feel this stillness, feel this presence. And now slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, gently roll your shoulders. Take one more deep breath in and let it out. When you're ready, open your eyes softly and gently. Rub your palms together. Just gifted yourself a moment of presence, a return to your center, and that space is always within you, waiting quietly every time you breathe. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Until the next time, be well, be present, and keep returning to your breath. Namaste.